Good morning. How is everyone doing? So I thought I'd do a quick update on BTC. So as we know from last week, I did mention we'll probably get this dropped down to the naked point of control, which we did, and where I was looking for long positions. Now I did scalp this movement up yesterday. I actually did it live, so the video is actually on YouTube. This is the video how I use order flow and automation to my advantage. You can check this video out. You'll learn quite a lot from this video. Please remember to like and subscribe and comment below if you'd like to see more content like this. Right, coming back to BTC. So when we look at this movement up, it's not progressive. So it's just a liquidation of the shorts because we did see a lot of shorts opening up on the bottom. Um, but the price action is a bit weak in my opinion. Now we do have if we look at the other range, if we go back up, we do have the value area low, which is sitting around about 102,800. So we could make our way back up to there, get rejected, but I personally think we may get acceptance back in here and attempt to climb a bit higher. There's a possibility we may get rejected at the POC, which would trick traders in, okay, we were in a good recovery, um, we're gonna see higher prices, but we need to really understand what's happening outside trading. I'm not going to go into political situations. You do your own research, and nor am I a financial advisor. Do your own research, do your own education. If you want to learn order flow, you want to learn how to trade these markets, whether it's crypto, forex, indices, my favorite gold, links in the description below. I am holding a webinar on the 28th of June. However, that webinar is fully booked now. So if you'd like me to do a secondary webinar, which I can schedule in for July, please let me know in the comments below. So what is my next plan? My next plan is to short this. It's very simple to understand. I'm going to short it. Actually, to be honest, I already scaled into another short position already. I don't really want to broadcast this short position, but a safer short would be realistically in this zone here with a tight stop loss of about 0.5, and we're targeting definitely the weekend lows, so that's your first take profit. And we have front run the anchored VWAP, so we will be targeting the anchored VWAP as well. So that's one setup that we could look into. Please note that you can't just blindly go into this. We need to see trap traders. We need to see delta profiling the opposition way. We want to see also some rejection at this level. Now there is another option, not option. There is another level we can be watching, which is the 104,600 area. This is more of a safer play, to be honest, and we still will be targeting the weekend lows, which are going to be 98, 100, but I think we'll smash through that. I don't think we're going to get supported at this anchored VWAP. Why? Because we front run it. That's why we front ran this for a reason. So I am scaling into some more shorts, as you know already that I am short from here, which I'm holding, and I am also short from the 110 area. Both trades are protected and I'm looking for lower prices. Also, when we had this drop, we came back and recovered. We had a secondary drop. Now we're recovering. We're looking for another drop, guys. It's very simple to understand. Um, the other reason I believe that we're going to drop is in this zone here. Let's just mark that off actually. So we do have in this zone here a lot of buy pressure. Uh, we have this stacking up, so this would be a nice swing long area, to be honest. If we make it back into this, and I will be looking to go aggressive long in this, but if we do slice through this, I'm not interested, because we'll just slice through and we'll come back into it and reject. And every long position that I am taking currently is only hedging against my short position. So I am scaling into a short here. I'm not asking you guys to do this. You've got to do your own research. You've got to know your own risk management as well. Looking at the fair value gaps, you can see that we have one here. And we also have one over there. So I do expect these fair value gaps, inefficiencies to get filled out. To be honest, we've got one there. Let's get rid of that because YouTube doesn't like that. And we do have one over in this zone here, which we have sort of front run. So we want to see New York. We want to see a retracement back down. Although I am sure I will be looking for a long position as well, which is going to be an easy long to take. It's a simple strategy that I do teach as well, which is your VWAP trade. So I'm short, and we'll be taking this long here. It's just going to be a very tight stop actually. That doesn't mean price comes back and bounces on VWAP and you take a long. You need to see acceptance. You need to see buyers step in as well. That's why we have order flow. So that's a long position I'll be taking as a hedge against the local short position that I'm currently in. I am in a couple of shorts above as well, which I'm more of a swing play. There isn't really much to really update on BTC. This recovery is it was expected. You know, a lot of people were shorting. I did predict in advance where the price was going to go. You can check that out in my previous educational video. That's exactly what happened. It's very easy to understand these markets if you know how the algo sort of works. Now, one thing we must have a look at is our daily time frame, which is a longer time frame. Let's just, what was, oh yeah, that was marked up for that reason there. Okay. Now let's say we do actually find support and bounce off this again. It could basically be a trap, you know, to see us lower. If we do lose this zone, we're definitely going to come and fill this inefficiency at 90,000. We could slice through that, recover this imbalance that we have here. We have an imbalance here, yeah. So we could recover that, or at least, where's the 50% actually? Yeah, there we go. So we could actually come back and fill that, hold the price there, build some more shorts, only to lift the price back up. Why? Because we have a lot of liquidity up here. Yeah, we have a lot of short liquidity up here. So, am I bearish? Am I bullish? I'm neither. I can only just see the levels, and I follow simple strategies that work for me. And you know, so we're looking for a bounce trade here to come back up for one more tap, because I do reckon we will have more of a distribution pattern playing out. Now, as price develops, we will analyze distribution. But however, I don't see the right type of accumulation, to be honest. I do see it in Ethereum, don't see it in BTC. So what else can we trade when we're in a time of uncertainties? We can actually trade gold. Gold is very good to trade. So is silver. Platinum is very, very good as well. And I do have some videos coming out on this as well. So this was a video that I did uploaded yesterday explaining what would happen. Everything played out to the T. Now, we do have a couple of sponsors of the channel. So it's PHEMEX exchange. You can trade with no restrictions. The link is above. You must click on my link for the non-restrictions. There's bonuses as well. And if you want no restrictions on BITUNIX, click on my link. Once you have clicked on these two links and you have deposited your trading funds ready to trade, you can contact me, DM me on X or Telegram, and I will allow you free access to my trading group, where we share information and trade setups and risk management strategies. Okay, so yeah, check out the sponsors of the channel, and always remember to watch the videos, like and subscribe and share, please, so I can grow this channel. So there isn't really much to add to BTC. Those are the setups I'm looking for. Being a Monday is false move. I'd like to see price development. I want to see what New York does, and I will do more of an in-depth video tomorrow. Thank you very much, and remember to like, subscribe, and share, please. Check out the Telegram channel, the link's below. I did take some trades. You'll find some useful information on the main page of this Telegram. If you want to join the trading group, you need to click on one of those two exchanges, deposit your trading funds, and I'll let you in. It's very simple to understand that. But you can see that I did, like we do take live trades on there as well. This is a very good video for you guys to watch. And some trades that I've taken yesterday as well. You can see BTC long I took there. Took another one. Aave, Ethereum. So yeah, got some. I'm in some positions currently at the moment. So check out BitUniX. Very good exchange. I've been using them for like 2 weeks. Amazing exchange. Zero latency problems. Even whether you're on a desktop or a phone, amazing. So yeah, you get some deposit bonuses, etc. Click on my link and I'll let you into my free trading group, and we could take the trades together. Thank you.